Meet You if you're new here. Thanks for tuning in. So it's time for a skincare update. I may be a little bit behind on this because I think I originally wanted to do these once every like 3 months, like quarterly. Yeah, I'm like 1 month behind. It's okay. I have a lot of empties. I've used up a lot of stuff. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first up, we have this Fresh Seaberry Skin Cleansing Oil. This is for removing makeup. My line disappeared for where I was at, and I should have known what was gonna happen because there's like oil in here. I'm gonna put up on the screen how much I had in there. I think it was somewhere like halfway or so. But it's empty now. Honestly, I have like one more application that I can use to take my makeup off, which I'll probably use today. And this will be completely empty. So we got that one done, which is awesome. I can move on to something else. I'm really excited just to see how many products I use throughout the whole year of 2021. And to like just be able to buy a new skincare instead of like everything in my drawers is sitting in there, because for a long time I just had skincare in there, which is why I started my project plan for skincare. Is I just had stuff sitting in there. I don't even know why I had it. So now I'm able to like get rid of stuff so that I can bring in new things that are actually great and like curated for my skin. Now that I've finished this, I don't think I would repurchase it. It does really, really well at removing your makeup, like really well. But I don't love how it feels on my eyes. It doesn't burn, but it's not comfortable. I much prefer a cleansing balm. So I won't repurchase this, but it did do a good job. Next up, we have my Fenty Fat Toner pore refining toner serum. This takes so long to use, you guys. I cannot believe that in 3 months I've only used this much. That's pretty good progress, but like, can you believe that I've in like, well, I guess it's been 4 months I've used this much. So in 4 more months it's gonna be this. So this whole bottle will literally last you like an entire year. Now, granted, I only do my skincare about 3 to 4 times a week because the other days I just forget or I'm lazy. But if you're doing your makeup if you're doing your skincare like every day, I would say it probably will last you like 6 months or so. Yeah. And you don't need a lot of this at all. I really like this a lot. It's just a good experience, I will say that. I absolutely love the packaging still. I mean, I talked about all these things in my intro, but I really love the packaging. It just makes it so user-friendly. You don't need a cotton round or anything. You just put it in your hand and dab it on. I really enjoy this toner a lot. It's really good and definitely worth the money. Now that I'm like halfway down finally, like definitely worth the money. So let me go ahead and mark this, and I'm gonna refresh my first line too because it's kind of fading. Ta-da! Super excited. Okay, next we have my Glow Recipe Pineapple Bright Serum. Okay, I talked about this in my empties, my first empties of the year a couple months ago because I finished it, so it wasn't empty. So it's done, and let me just, I don't like this. I don't like this, okay? I have a few bones to pick with it. First of all, the biggest thing is that this serum has these actual chunks of like pineapple or something in it, and it gets like all stuck together and it clumps up in this big ball. And you can see in here, you see this right here? It looks like I still have product in here and it's almost halfway, like a third of the bottle, but that won't come out because it's just one big like clump basically. And this is not a cheap serum. I did get this in a subscription box, so I didn't pay full price, thank God, because I think this is around $48 or $49 for this little bottle. And you have a bunch of glass here, and then you have this product that you can't use. So really you're only getting this much product for that really high price tag. So it's like definitely not worth the price. It does what it says it's supposed to do. It does work. It is brightening, it is smoothing. I do like the formula of it, but it's definitely not worth the price. It also has a really off-putting smell. I can handle it because it does like kind of go away after it dries, but it does not smell good either. You would think if it was pineapple, it would smell good, but it really doesn't. It really does not smell good. Yeah, so I totally used that up, and I'm glad I used it, but I don't like it. Okay, next up I have my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, and I have been using this. I definitely have, it's almost gone. I'm definitely almost done with it. It's almost gone. There's only a few more uses in here. So this is gonna be done by the next time I do a skincare update. Oh, I forgot to tell you what I'm gonna be replacing my makeup remover with. For now, I'm going to replace it with one of these small Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balms. I have a few of these travel size ones, and that's what I'm gonna work my way through, is these travel size makeup cleansers, so that I can get all those like little products that are just taking up space like out of the way. And then once I get all of those done, then if I finish them before the end of the year, I'll roll in like a full size product. But for now, we're gonna put in like mini size ones, which is starting off with the Clinique Take the Day Off balm. And to replace my serum, I actually went ahead and rolled in this another small one, Rose Deep Hydration Oil Infused Serum. I'm like more than halfway done with it. It's just a travel size one, but oh my God, I love this. This is so good. I really wasn't sure about it because of the rose scent, but I don't mind it at all. I really love the way it makes my skin look. It just makes it look so healthy and just hydrated and beautiful. Love this stuff so far. It's really making me want to buy a full size. It's really good. I like that a lot. We're halfway done right now. I don't know if it's worth marking because I'm gonna be done with this by the time my next one comes around. But the whole goal is to count up all of these products and like see how much money I get, like how much money's worth I got out of all of these products, including these kind of products, because even though they're like still like sample size, I still had to spend money to get them. So I'm gonna count them as like a couple dollars or something, you know. My Neutrogena replaced my It Cosmetics. I should have done this the other way around, but I had the It Confidence in a Cream moisturizer as my product to start out with. This was totally full last time you guys saw this, and now it's completely empty, and that's due to the fact that, well, skincare typically only lasts like 3 months, but I loved this so much. This is the one thing, if not over the other stuff, that I would use like more regularly. Like sometimes I didn't want to do the whole routine, so I would just throw the moisturizer on and go to bed or whatever. But this stuff is so good, especially during the winter months. I have such dry skin. Even in the summer I have dry skin, but I have such dry skin. So this is great for my dry skin, and it just really, really moisturizes. And you wake up in the morning and my face is so nice and plump and moisturized. It's anti-aging. I don't know if it actually like is anti-aging, but you know, the fact that I'm using it makes me feel good. This is like my favorite moisturizer I've ever used. It's so good. I would totally repurchase this at some point, especially if I saw it on sale or something. Oh my God, that's good stuff. But I used that up totally, and then we are working on the Neutrogena. For the eye cream that I was using, I had the Pharmacy Do It All, and I think this was pretty full as well, and this one I totally used up as well. And you know what, this was just okay. It did hydrate my eyes, but I don't really feel like it did much more than what a regular moisturizer could do, and I hate the packaging. This jar, it just like, it's really annoying to like dig your finger in there and like get the stuff out of the sides, and also the lid kind of popped off at one point. Yeah, I wasn't a big fan of this. I definitely don't think it was probably worth the full price, but I don't know how I feel about like eye creams in general. I just feel like I don't know if I believe that they really are worth the like extra money. At least I haven't found any yet that I feel that way. But I totally used that up, and I haven't rolled in another eye cream because I don't have one. Oh, another serum product, a little sample that I finished was this is the Kiehls Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. And this is very interesting. I wanted to use this for the longest time because I don't know, for some reason it seemed like it said Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate. I definitely feel like it kind of like plumped areas where I have like wrinkles, well, fine lines. I don't really have like wrinkles, but like my fine lines, you know, I feel like it kind of did a little bit, but I don't think it was enough to like kind of like use it to see a huge difference, you know, because it's just a little sample size. I also used up 2 of these little Soy Fresh cleansers since last time we talked. I feel like I used up a lot of stuff, which is awesome. It's the whole point of this whole like project pan thing, is to get through all of these little things that I have just sitting around. I love the Fresh Soy face cleanser. I actually have a full size that's unopened that I'm gonna use at some point. If maybe if I use I'm using the Fenty one at the moment, if I finish that one at some point. Anyways, I used up 2 of these. I really like this cleanser. It's really nice and gentle for like, I like to use these in the shower when I'm taking a shower and wash my face. Or like at night or in the morning if I'm not wearing makeup. I like to use it. It's not great for like removing makeup, but it's like just a nice gentle cleanser. Then I had a travel size for the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream, and I finished that up, which I'm really happy about because this was definitely past the expiration date. Love this stuff. I mean, you can't go wrong with it. The scent is absolutely incredible. It's a body moisturizer, and it's yeah, it's awesome. It smells great, and it lasts a long time. Like the scent lasts forever on your skin. So that's some good stuff. I would buy it if it was on sale. I don't think I would really necessarily go out of my way at the moment to buy it. Maybe in the future, but right now I'm not really like, I need to buy one. I also finished up this. You know what, you guys? I really wasn't sure if I was gonna be able to use this whole thing, but again, because I'm so dry, I really like put it in my mind to start using this before I went to bed at some point, and I made my way through this entire bottle very quickly. I mean, a lot quicker than I usually do with body moisturizers. This is the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte Ultra Shea Body Cream by Bath and Body Works. I don't know if I will necessarily, well, actually that's not true. I do like these from Bath and Body Works. I think that they do moisturize pretty decently, especially if you use it like every night before you go to bed or whatever, or during the day, whatever. I like it. This smelled really nice, and yeah. But I'm glad I finished it up because we're not in the fall time anymore. I haven't rolled one in yet because I just finished it. Like I just finished it, I think last night. I have a couple of little sample masks. I have Glam Glue Gravity Mud Firming Treatment. Love it, definitely firms, it's awesome. I have the Origins Hello Calm Relaxing and Hydration Face Mask with Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. This was so good, I loved this. Oh my god, it was so amazing, super relaxing. I loved the smell of it. It just made me feel very spa-like and moisturize, really good. I would very much consider buying this in a full size. It was so good. And then we have the Big Boy Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. I cannot believe I didn't finish this. I keep telling myself that I need to use this. There's literally only like maybe 2 more applications left in here, but I just keep forgetting to use it, man. Like it's so hard to remember to use a mask because you can just, I don't know, I need to treat myself more. No, I don't. I treat myself enough. But we're getting close. It's gonna be done probably by the next time. I think, I don't know if I'm gonna take this with me actually. I don't know, but it's gonna be done by the end of the year, that's for sure. Okay guys, that's all my skincare updates for this project pan for 2021. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I really like that this is separate from my makeup one because I feel like it is a whole separate category. I just feel like skincare is something that is so much easier to do because it's like you can literally do it anytime. And it's great for you, and it's relaxing, and it's easy. You don't have to have skills to do it, you know? I mean, not that you have to have skills to do makeup, but it's just easy to do, and I think that this is a really good way for me to try a bunch of different skincare so that I can learn what really works and be able to give you guys recommendations if you have like a similar skin type to me, like what to look out for, you know, the whole thing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.